Don't add a and n with these uncountable nouns. The greatest quality of uncountable nouns is that they cannot be made plural by adding s. Second thing is that they do not possess the quality of a and n. Rather, they just carry quantifiers, units of measurement. For example, a bit of, a lot of, an item of, plenty of, some. These are units of measurement and they carry always units of measurement, not a and n. And you can also say that these are uncountable nouns and they are the possessors of units of measurement. So let's start with food and drink. The first thing is rice. You cannot say that I ate a rice. You have to say I ate some rice or I ate a bowl of rice. Some rice or a bowl of rice. Instead of saying no. The second thing is milk. You cannot say he drank a milk. Rather you have to say he drank some milk or he drank a carton of milk. Carton of milk is in small quantity. Or you can say he drank a jug of milk. A jug of milk. The third one is juice. You cannot say I want a juice. You can say I want some juice or a carton of juice. A carton of juice. Number 4 is tea or coffee. You cannot say he likes a tea or a coffee. You can say he likes a cup of tea or he likes some tea, some coffee. Now again we are revising salt. Salt, very important, salt. You cannot say that I like or I want a salt. You have to say I want some salt or a pinch of salt. The true measurement unit you have to utilize. With milk, a carton of milk, a jug of milk. With juice, some juice or a carton of juice. With salt, some salt or a pinch of salt. Correct unit of measurement you have to just memorize. Another one is bread or loaf of bread. You cannot say I need or I just ate breads, 2 breads. No, 2 loaves of bread, 2 slices of bread. 2 loaves of bread or 2 slices of bread. In fact, in this unit, in this lesson, we are justifying and we are just reading the correct units of measurement for drinks, for food and for so many other things like flour. You cannot say I need a flour. You have to say I need some flour or a bag of flour. Some flour or a bag of flour. This is the unit of measurement for flour. Again, I would say some wrong uses of much and many. We do not use much and many in the accurate place. Remember, when we can count, you have to utilize many apples, many bananas, many cups, many trees, because they can be counted. And much for uncountable nouns which cannot be counted, just like flower, advice, information, work, knowledge, advice. These cannot be counted, so you have to utilize much, not the many. Another thing which I have observed is that you don't have to say I bought a clothing. This is the wrong concept. You have to say I bought a shirt or a sweater, a purse, a bag. Now next thing is that some nouns appear to be plural by shape because there is s attached with them, but they are not plural in fact. For example, which have 2 parts, like glasses, they have 2 parts, headphones, they have 2 parts, pants, they have 2 parts, scissors, they have 2 parts, and sunglasses, tweezers, all these items carry S, but they are always used in singular structure. Next is unit of mass and unit of measurement. When something is utilized in general with mass, we do not carry A or N. For example, paper and a paper. For example, this book is made of paper. Here paper is utilized as a mass, as a material, so don't carry a paper. And I bought a paper means I bought a newspaper. Here you are referring to a unit, a measurement. So when you are referring to a unit, you have to carry A or N, but when you are referring it as a mass, you don't have to carry A or N. For example, iron and a iron, an iron. This bridge is made of iron. Here iron is utilized as a unit of mass, material. So don't carry A or N with iron. I bought an iron. Here you are referring to a device, a unit. So carry N. Another thing is just glass and a glass. This table is made of glass. Here glass is a substance. Here glass is a mass. Here glass is a material. So don't carry A and N. And I drank a glass of water. Here it is a unit of measurement. So hope you have understood. And some and most of uncountable nouns, they don't possess, they don't carry A and N. They are just reflecting themselves in quantity by attaching to them some quantifiers, some measuring rods, like a bit of, an item of, plenty of, some, a lot of. Hope you have understood. And don't attach with uncountable nouns S. And you have understood the concept of A and N. If you like these kind of videos, let me know in comment section, because I am going to upload a series of such common mistakes arising in the minds of common English learners and how to tackle them. So till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.